Oh, Tina, I was saying you then the same thing. You know, so them I get you in a problem because I no come to take up for nobody, you know. You fi know what is your bungle from what is not your bungle. Me or you play one part of the same thing there, but I no feel your bungle that. The part where say fi send your information go to people. How you reaching at that? You say people, you confuse yourself because I say, me no come fi take up for nobody, you know, cause me no business with you and your banger and you know. Me only did say fi take the child's send child service go take up the little boy that wicked because at the end of the day is Lorraine grand picnic and you and the picnic ain't no problem. Me no business with you and Lorraine. I want business with you no have to go back it out. Me I go tell you what happened with Shanae and Lorraine and Tina. And take it from me. Take it from me. When the call make other blogger did involve me not when call the blogger name, I'm not gonna call the blogger name. Cause you know me not come fi make mix up because you me not go there more than so fi come defend myself in a bad make no sense. But Tina, I'm want you take it from me. Both Tina and Lorraine called Shanae on the phone. Tina introduced herself as a police officer to the child. People take it. Tina, you need to carry the whole voice note, come, the whole recording. When Tina says so, Lorraine hang up the phone and text Shanae and tell Shanae do not give Tina no information. When Tina hung up, Lorraine went and called Shanae. You hear what me tell you no say happen? You hear what me tell you no say happen? Tina, that's not the original recording. This is why I tell you no, I do not believe in recording and voice note because those things can tamper and splice. You need to bring the original recording. You need to bring it. People, take it from me what happened. As God is my witness, me not telling no lie. There was a other blogger. Because actually, that other blogger was the one who generated Shanae's telephone. I'm not going to mention that blogger name because I don't come to mix up, make them one for do them banger. But me, I tell you, the recording with Tina played, that's not the recording. Take it from me. Tina, you see, when you're going to do something, come with the truth. Come with the truth. Because come with the truth. This is why I'm telling us, say, I do not. If you're going to come with something, come with the truth. Put all yourself in a hit if you are involved. Do not try because you introduce yourself as a police to the child. Then Lorraine hang up the phone, text the child, tell the child do not give Tina no information. When Tina hang up, Lorraine call back the child. That's what happened. I'm not saying what Lorraine said, me I tell you no. There was another blogger who called the child. They've met the recording where people take it from me. The recording that Tina played today, that's not the recording. Tina, you need to go back to the drawing board. You need to. You need to. So how you going to come now and make it look like you were in it? You were in it, and the other blogger that obtained Shanae's number, because Shanae would live in that set near where that blogger come from. So the blogger reach out and they get Shanae's number. So how you going to look like said you were involved because you introduced yourself as the police to the child? You were interested. So when you're going to say no, that Lorraine going at things, but you insert yourself in a things where don't involve when no business. Look what you do with Lorraine. This is what I'm telling you, all the way. Look what we do when me hear. Just sometimes una sick me too much. When me hear una go on like say una no this and una no do that. Because I said you where you are going now, that's not the carry the original voice note come. Carry the original recording come. So how you go on like say you know in a, you play a part. You started talking to the girl, tell the girl you're a police. Lorraine hang up and text the girl and tell her do not give you no information. Then Lorraine call her back. Because a 4 uno can bum rush the girl. 4 uno bum rush that little girl. 4 big tackle and bum rush the girl. I become no one call up people name because I not for me bungle. But a 4 uno. You know how long me know about it? 4 uno bum rush the girl. But through me did hear courthouse, this is a go come. Me no want carry nothing to come on my platform and come say a 13 it put it out on a 30. That's why me not call the other blogger name. Because there's a other blogger that got the phone number, she obtained the phone number, I wanna call the girl. You Tina started to talk. You was doing the talking, telling the child that you're a police officer. Then Lorraine hang up. You! The girl nobody had a blogger. We obtain her. Lorraine did promise to send Shanae. And let me tell you something. You know why I never told? Because I'm going to be honest with you now. I'm going to be very honest with you now. Kids, and I all me deal with kids different. But me no feel say big people for draw down young picnic. That's certain things when me say no. Young kid, that's why I tell you say you not go hear me and no look a picnic on social media. I go down a Brock Rockstone. No, we not go to that. When I didn't say anything about Shanae, was I did feel in myself because I said Lorraine did promise to send Shanae 200 US, and I am saying that regardless of how you want the help, why would you give out so much information? Give out, because Shanae give out a lot of information. Why would you give it out for 200? And that's when, you know, I just like, you know, distance myself. May God help her with her baby and her study. But when me hear the lie, me I go come out, come talk. When me hear the lie, me I go come and know exactly what happened. Because when uno people feel, uno can record people and nobody not have on a record a lie uno a tell. It's only a pity sometime. You see the word if uno didn't know? It's only because uno feel say yes, uno can record that uno no know say sometimes people they are hate that uno. Cause me know exactly what go down that day. I know exactly who say who say yeah, me come out and say Lorraine promised the girl $200, 200 US. And she never get it. So Tina, how dare you come out now and go on like say you're the innocent one? No, Tina, no. No, you're not innocent. Cause if you go back on what you do till you do to Chris, you are playing, you're not innocent. Look on this. The lady come to Miami, the lady go America, and the lady a be a car cake. Well, me know in a kitchen people cook. Well, maybe you did what she do it in her bathroom or her bedroom, but you did the right thing. She a pay her rent. Now y'all a got talk about say the people them. How it bother you when why you not pay Mr. Rampas for him rent? How it bother you? And let me remind you, you did not call CPS. You sent CPS an email. You did not call. You sent them an email and you tell them to share bake. And this is the thing with you. You sit down over there and you feel like everybody trouble you. Why you feel everybody trouble you? Did I trouble you when you came out and say, I never know nothing, I never business with anything, when you came out on your platform and say, me and Carol, did I trouble you, Tina? Did I trouble you? You need to come with the truth. If you're not involved, you're not involved. Either you're involved or you're not involved. You played a great role. The facts remain where you are a mother. You say you have 2 daughters and a son and you have grandkids where you live as a people. You see how it hurt you when them attack your daughter? How it hurt you till you talk about it? But you never did feel what you do to your Lorraine. You did idle as a big business woman. As a big people, let me tell you something. Not you no want to come out, come talk certain things. Cause let me tell you, say, it was a big turn off for me when Shanae accept. Because the first thing, I'm gonna say something to you. And I'm not here to tear down Shanae, because I will never do that. I'm a mother. Shanae did recognize the one of the bloggers. Shanae is not stupid. So from you recognize one of the bloggers, Shanae recognized, I'm telling you this. Shanae recognized one of the bloggers that called her first. So from you recognize the blogger, you're supposed to think that the other thing there. But maybe she did want, but I'm not here to brag down no. But the fact remains because them a big old tackle 4 big tackle choose to go on a child that is looking help to further her study to make a better Jamaica, a better future where have kids. Me no, you understand? Me no there, but me say me know what go on. Take it from me. Tina carry the whole recording come. And when we get to understand is that, and this is what I have to say, me, I never, not even a voice note I would have put out on somebody. Because as I tell you from day one, any day, anything where I have to say my heart is pure as pure can be. Anything where I say behind or I say on a voice note or somebody call me and I put in my 2 cents, that's what I mean. And if it come out with me, that's what I said. And that me you know hear and that me say. Me now come out here come justify anything because I'm my own big woman. And anything when me involve in anybody when me mix up with, that's why me never go in an argument to the boy over there. So, and as me say, me don't know why people cannot learn. Me learn me lesson better alone. I am my lone ranger because at the end of the day, you see, me tell you something. You see with what's going on social media now, this thing pass social media. And people believe you me. Me walk on road, stop see me bridging them, run look a joke and so. And since my foot now me like I'm a light bus, but yes, me like the public transportation, something you book up in a PPS. Me see a true you know how it burn me like how the carnival time now. Me nah go walk, me can't go bother with it. The carnival time, me I tell you the truth, me can't bother with the rush. My son in the parade with him school, and believe you me, normally me da go and watch him and make me and him come home. And I him one him at 18, him one got to go this year. Well, me have people with still give a eye pan him, and him father will be working too. So at that time, so if anything, but me still you know kinda worried. Me go anywhere, me not have to walk and look over my shoulder. And when me see all some of these people, them a travel everywhere them go, they can't go nowhere without them live, or if them go to Jamaica when they come up, because of how them do this thing past social media. This thing past social media. When me tell you say this thing past social media, this thing past social media. Tina Chin sit down and feel like say she can play victim. Me not in a no cussing with Nancy Tina. You can stay for later, cause Tina don't go pay rampa sword in rent. Go and pay rampa sword in rent. You look a squatters your Tina when I have no good credit. You too lie. You were on that call. Then you Lorraine, you ta soy go. Talk the truth. Go class your nasty pedophile papa when I nursing home. Him you for go class. Go and class your pedophile. You coulda cough, you coulda back over the suckle Tina. Me not talk the truth. You too lie. You're too bad bite and you too lie because I say you don't keep them now sell. Because the old slimy dirty rotten cake them not selling Tina. Tina Marian Walters McLeod, Marian Walters will lick out to a bottom in a Mingles nightclub. Herpes drunker Tina. Nasty stinking dirty Tina. Tina big ass stink like Tina can class me. Tina can class me and Tina Trin live in a Rampas Water rent. Rampas Water look for Tina fin rent the other day. Tina got courthouse to Judge Angle. Tina like dog. Tina thief till Tina go back in her father bank book unreaching it. Tina come here. Come here Tina. I'm not going class you my love. I'm not going to class. You know my health come first. Come here. Tina, come here, Tina. Come here, girl. Come here, Tina. Come over here. Tina. Tina. I look like you have too much vodka. Tina, come here. Why you not tell the people them say? Tina, I want you go over Casely. I'll give you one homework for do. Go over Casely shop tomorrow. Why you not tell the people them say you want Casely take out your father out of the poor house and give you go look house and rent, and Casely now have none of that? Tina, why you can't take care of your father? Why you not tell people oh you and Casely cost dog rotten the other day? Actually, me never did feel good because say your father money missing again because you not have no money. Tina, come here. You know what your problem? Me not help your ability no. Tina, you know say me nah help you. Your father didn't have the Jamaica Defense Force though, and you hear say him forget some money, and you well want go Jamaica for the money, and you not tell them say you have other siblings over there. Tina, you know say yes, me na money worries but not like you. You're there foreign too long for in a money worries. The same all kid them people when I done I go and show no them. The same all kid them what Tina put up from last year. Tina come here obsessive drunk. The same all kid them what you put up from last year. As you hear the woman, you see the lady put out her cake. Tina come here. Be no obsessed and me no grudge none of my fellow Jamaican. Bad mind Tina. Tina go bathe. Tina go bathe and go do research for your syphilis or your herpes where you have, where you catching up with Kevin Gay and a Mingle Scarlet. Tina, you come here, Marian Walters, come here. As you see the woman, me I go show you how you have. You know what time me have picture and something in here. Wait, I'll take me time to find. You go dig up from 2024 last year and take up the same old picture and put up. Go take up this. See, me nah cuss her, man. Me nah cuss her. Me just a reason with Tina. Take up the same old picture and put up. Eh? You workless and careless and you say you be a 365 days a year. Tina, you're not supposed to argue with nobody out here. Tina, all termite. Tina, where you want to take over Miss Vernica dead left house. Tina, where you want to take over Miss Vernica dead left house. You kill off Miss Vernica, Tina. Tina blood up on your shoulder. Because them pay for take care of Miss Vernica. You left Miss Vernica in the CG mal ill treat her, molest her and do her all sort of thing. And when our health get down, our people them carry her to the nursing home, you still itch up there. You still itch up the drunk. Tina, you can't argue with nobody. Tina, you're not supposed to out here argue with nobody. Tina, nobody not help you up there. Tina, the other day, then nearly foreclosed on your van again. Tina, Marian Walters, you can't argue with nobody. My name is the wrong name for you for call. Are the wrong name. Speak the truth. Liar tell. Liar they tell. Nasty Tina. With your pedophile father, Tina. You know, so me have the generational curse for me. And me choose to be a crowbait. Tina, your mama build one house and she can't stay night because they say your mama thief. It look like your mama used to thief and traffic drugs. Your mama, your mama build a Jamaica, she can't comfortably night. Your mama for the day you got talk about your vote for Trump. Your mama have papers. How you sign for your mama you not pay tax? How you sign for your mama and your government, baby Tina? When your mama they are foreign the life, or you give your mama have Angel like dog puppy and run left him, abandon him and leave him up there. Tina, don't bright yourself. Tina, do not bright yourself. You hear look up wild body girl, Tina, your face favor with your Tina. Your body coming like when you try make Camille, turn Camille porridge and it turn in a turn Camille. Tina. Your body come like when you try to make a bowl of Camille porridge and it turn in a ton Camille. Don't bright yourself for me. You're looking at New York slut. Don't bright yourself. New York slut, do not bright yourself. You not make no money off of me over YouTube. Look at nasty, stinking, underprivileged crowbait. She and her daughter, you big no sweet. Daughter case later, they said, man. Tina, go look for your grand pitney poopa. Go and look for Gigi father over there where you have CG over there. CG, I know Dalali down Batman, son. Don't bright your nasty self with me, Tina. Come here, go class. Yeah, wait. Hold on. I don't know if you know. Make I go for my charity where I come to talk about. Make I go for my charity where I come to talk about, Tina, because you must think that me I go afraid of you. You think me they go afraid of you. You're bright and out of order and nasty and stink. But my health is my wealth. Me not stay like you where I walk up and down with herpes. Go look cure for your herpes. You know see all sort of bush doctor. All sort of bush doctor there for the tire take go Jamaica the other day Santa Masanga Obia man. You should have got one bush doctor. Go look cure for your herpes because every money where you have the card, so that's why you can't have anything because you indulge. Obia work leave me alone, you hear? Obia working Tina. The tire take and go Obia man at Jamaica when tire go down there. You should have did go one herbalist go see if him have no cure for the herpes. Where you make Kevin jump up and you like a when tire lick up pick me a jump up on bicycle and turn you over and give you. Go on where you go, you nasty Tina. Go brush your thinking mouth. Go Tina, go scrape your tongue. Tongue must pink, your tongue white like. Your tongue white, Tina. Move up and go, Tina, go bathe. Tina, from morning you did you don't bathe. Go and bathe, Tina. Go bathe, go bathe, go bathe. Soap and water protest for you. Soap and water long for you. Go and go bathe. You're the only person when I see Clyde for bathe. When I see no love bathe. You're too nasty out there. Go bathe. A bunny bunny because I come out here and talk the truth. Burn it, burn her, because she feel like say from morning she burn it. Me say people, me I go tell you no. Tina, come here. Another blogger get Shanae Barnes' number. 4 big tackle ram of Uno. Bamra Shanae. You go panic, go introduce and go tell Shanae how your police and start. Lorraine hang up the phone and text Shanae and tell Shanae do not give you any. Then Lorraine call back Shanae and tell her that she go send her 200 US and get it. I saw it go. It's so it go. You're a wicked, dirty, nasty, stinking serpent. You can't class me, go class your pedophile father when at the arms house. Your papa walk list because he should reach a arms house in the America. And him didn't have the army at Jamaica on a walk list. And now you go down there, you play a rat race. I ticket you can't find. For God, Jamaica. You're too out hard about your out about who for cake this and who for cake dry and this. Your cake them rotten. So at least we eat the hard cake because we are Jamaica. We like hard things. We like hard things. We don't want to look soft. We no baby. We have teeth in our mouth. All went with teeth for you never hear the late gully bob did say I go bite off people ears within one teeth. With teeth sharp in our head all when it falls. We not like nothing soft. We not like nothing soft and pleke and meche. We not like that. So we are going to eat the cake because the cake tastes better than fee and it a sell. It is selling. Because if you did not bake, if you did not sell, you would bake. You're too out hard and nasty and stink and dirty. You're too nasty and think. Go clean up your house. Go clean up Miss Vernica dead left room where you want to take over. You know, see cobweb them up in night like a nasty girl. Go clean your place and that you for carry summons come and see a man for you know say CG and him man. They fight. You come out about people send police. You think a little lie you tell power out your rampa sword wanting rent. Rampa sword Tina. Rampa sword wanting rent a couple days time from now. People you know she a go on so over. Me I go tell you know what do her. A couple days time from now Tina fi go back a court, you hear? Couple days time from now that drunk fi go back a court for rampa sword rent. Nobody come turn it down for me. Cause when me can't pay my rent, me beg and pay it. Anytime me can't pay if I have to beg the makeup and pay because me say me true me know me never care no house. Tina, I tell you already. When before I came here I had a foundation down my yard. When I up here I see people start to sick. I say you know what? Make I finish this. I finish my tabernacle. Because when I see people have to go home and I see people go to Jamaica and start spend and I don't want nobody make no, me finish that. Me never want to own a house at Curacao. I never want to. But being as my kids then get big now and something and so I say you know what? Me a plan and wait. It soon come. You don't have nowhere at Jamaica and you don't have nowhere abroad. Tina, you're workless. And when you're done, you say they are foreign for 40 years with passport. That's all you, Tina. Let me tell you something. Don't bother with me. Make we go here. Make we go here. You bring 3 kids come here. Cause me and you know say a whole heap of little picnic you have up in heaven about. Me and you know that. Whole heap. Whole heap of little picnic. Whole heap of you picnic them to your drink. Alright. Make we compare now, Tina. You're there foreign 40 years. Big foreign, the land of opportunity. The land, because me never know much about Canada when time me a grow. And according to them always everybody where they are England, mother them always talk about England clothes and so that's what you know when you're little. And everybody foreign, America, New York, everybody. America, New York, not even poor Miami you never hear about. New York, America. And when you check her stock, she play joke for the man. She pack up and so she go the law with the school sitting in New York. She play with the man. Cause you know, so the man they have to carry her to court and then the time for eviction. I must see eviction the drunk crowd wait pan. She forgot court one of these days. Anyway, all you achieve out of all your 40 years when you the America. How much years you did the 34, 40 can look like you don't even know one another because I want to back on the age and go up on age paper. Because me you know you way old more than older than your age. Anyway, all you achieve is 3 workless. When me tell you say for your picnic them workless. They're workless and a passport. Don't try talk to me. Cause that's all you achieve. 3 workless picnic and a passport. Then Marian Walters, you think you can talk to me? 3 workless picnic. Marian, which one of your picnic them ever put them foot into a college, much less a university? Come make we talk now. Come make we talk. Come make we talk. Tina, the way you shame even how you look. That's why you have to put on filter. That's how low your self-esteem is. And your self-esteem lower when you got thief people. Government tax money when you don't work, that's a double thief. You never pay a tax. And go spoil your body. You're rude. And out of order, go class your pedophile father in the arms house and go class your daughter where she and him. Listen, come here, Tina, let me tell you who you for class. Class your pedophile father where in the arms house. Anytime you feel like you want to talk to me, class your pedophile father. Class your daughter Casely where you and take the same man where you and Casely rock face where you and your daughter matey. And last but not least, class your dollarly dung. Remember the word, your dollarly dung, workless, dirty, fatherless son, CJ. Where you don't know who breed you in a CJ, cause then cock you up behind some back. You take one illegal, dirty Rasta boy, Craig, and give him class them over and out.